I know. Everybody has these bad days when driving. Don't get road rage is what I'm trying to tell you. But in this video, I'm about to show you everybody that's just having that damn bad day. Some of these people, they deserved it, but most of these people, I don't think so. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's see. First off, this dude is already elevated off. He's already wrong. And now he's just making it even worse. I don't know how he got up there in the first place, but oof. And the airbag popped out. Wait. We gotta go back. We gotta go back on that one. Wait, we gotta just rewind it back to just where it was just, boom. Okay. All right, get out the lane, That sucks. Oh my God, it was a double whammy. Oh my gosh. Oh man, okay, so don't keep drilling, don't keep. Oh, you just stripped it. Oh, that sucks right there. Don't ever do that, y'all. Take it to a professional if y'all don't know how to do it yourself, all right? He just broke. Wait. This person has some type of car right now, and he's trying to pry off something off of here. And as I'm looking at it, it's already betting that I broke. Ugh. Now, as this guy's driving, why would you drive a tractor in here anyways? Yeah, you completely messed up. Okay, so this guy here, I guess he's trying to explain, but he's already messed up somebody's car, sideswiped them in getting into the parking spot. I would be pissed. Oh, now he's trying to leave? Oh no, he's already been messing up. Oh, this person cannot drive. Seriously. And they're getting away. Oh, they thought they were about to get away clean. And they messed up another car. I think he messed up about 2 more cars on that one. So he messed up that one, and then the truck, and the one beside the truck. And on top of that, his. Oh yeah, he got it. Look at him. He's about to go. He's gone. He's out of there. That's when you go to this right here. This video is when you go to a cheap place to get your paint job done. So I've seen plenty of truck drivers do this, or not this particularly, but that baller is not gonna move. I don't care. And they're just scraping up everything at the bottom. Oh, they're about to rip off the whole axle of that 18-wheeler. Oh my, yep. Now the real fun part is afterwards, how are they gonna start towing that? Well, gotta have no problem driving it away right now because yeah, you got at least 4 wheels missing, okay? So this person's trying to do a spot touch up with some paint. Let's see how well it might be innovative. Nope. That one, first off, that was cheap paint in general. So don't do that. So that first off, they needed to cut their grass. I don't know why you're trying to even go through whatever. Oh, you took off the whole front bumper and you kept going. Don't keep going. That sucks. That looks like it was morning time too. Yeah, you should have went forward. Well, this person, they're driving forward. It looked like they're trying to get in a parking space and they kept going forward. Wow. Oh, dang. I'm surprised the airbags didn't pop out on that. Okay, this must be a new driver. They going pretty, wow. They flipped it all the way over. That's hard to do, but they made it look easy, okay? First off, if you can't drive forward, don't drive backwards. You're stuck now. Hold on, wait, let's stop this one. Do not do the Austin Powers if you don't know how to do the Austin Powers. And it's not for everybody. Let's get back to it, okay? Whole bunch of wires. Are you holding up this Benz with just wiring? And then you're still trying to, oh my gosh. This is painful to watch. You can't just drive straight and go home and start over tomorrow. I understand everybody has bad days, but you gotta stop while you're ahead or behind, either or. Wow. And they're still going. Just go figure out another way. They took off the axle. Let's roll it. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that sucks. I hope he's okay. Well, I'm pretty sure he is. Oh, this dude's rapping. He just ripped the vinyl. I could tell by his face, he ripped the shit out of that vinyl. Yep. He ripped it. He is pissed too. I know that feeling. That's a bad day right then and there. Even when you felt like you did a great job too. That sucks. That seriously sucks. Oh, not the whole Corvette. First off, you didn't even have the lift correct on it. Oh man, that sucks. Now these 2 doors for together. It's kind of innovative if you're driving for Uber, but if not, don't do that. Now, this right here is just extremely cheap, and you done got pulled over a few times because your light was out. So you just try to, finagle the system. Good job. Bad execution, though. Okay. Oh, somebody is rapping. Look. It's not a bad rap for a Christmas rap. I could say that, but that's the bad part. Yes, when you start driving, yes, all of that's coming off. I don't know. They didn't even prep. I could tell they're not nowhere close to professionals or hobbyists. This may not even be their car because they're painting on everything. On top of it being tint and it's bubbling up, it is a lot of dirt. Look at the roof. They need to go see somebody to detail it. Okay, so we got somebody that's trying to tint. All right, they're doing the proper stuff, so taking everything off. They really don't need to on some of it, but I like that you're going an extra mile with it. Okay, about to install it. All right, prepping the surface. That one didn't work out. Okay, let's try it again. Starting installing it. Good on that one. Crease. You threw that one away. Yeah. That's what I mean on that one. That one, you just got to start over or take it to the professionals. Don't make yourself have a bad day. Have a great day. But there's times when it's not your fault. I understand it's not your fault. When you're driving, sometimes these people are they're here to make people have bad days. You want to watch some more of these videos? Comment below. Tell me what you think.